Today we're talking about the Roshield Rodent Antibacterial Room Fogger. All the safety information is available on the label here. It's important that we read this prior to use. Easy to use, take off the lid, and it's important to understand how the nozzle works here. There's two ways we can use this. If we push it down slightly, this will dispense some of the contents of the canister, and if we push it all the way down, clipping it in, the whole contents will be dispensed. This is really useful product where rodents have been active in voids, such as underneath this kitchen unit here, and by spraying the antibacterial into this area, we'll reduce the risks associated with rodents. If we're treating a whole area, we can clip the nozzle down, and this will dispense the antibacterial fog into the room, again reducing the risks of the bacteria and the viruses associated with rodents. This is the Roshield Rodent Antibacterial Room Fogger.